Today, in this Facebook ads course, we will learn that how you can grant someone else the admin access of your Facebook page. So let's start it. So it means if you want that someone else should take care of your Facebook page, it could be a friend or it could be any digital marketing agency. Or if it is one of your own employee, then how to grant them the access or how to retrieve the access to someone's page is very simple and easy as well. You just need to watch this video till the end and follow the steps that I am telling you. Then you will also be able to do it easily. And one or two more important things are there which I'll tell you in end. Make sure to keep in mind, if you've given someone full access of your page and they misused it, now you are no longer the admin or owner of the page or someone has deleted the page. These are the mistakes that should not happen as many people suffer huge loss because of it. So make sure to watch the video till end and please subscribe the channel. Press the bell icon so that you get notification and don't miss any video or course. So friends, it's very simple. Let's go. So on your computer screen you can see that my Facebook account is open right now. So at the top my profile picture is coming now. I am clicking on it. Here my Facebook page is open. And here I have created a page by the name of FB Digital Agency. Sorry, it's MF Digital Agency. Now click, and after clicking, I will click on the left hand side of my page. So here is my page. Okay, it is here. Now to give someone admin access, I need to go in settings. I'll click on settings on left side of the screen. After clicking on settings, here I'll click on the page setup option. An option appears under audience and visibility. Below on the left hand side there is page setup option. In the page setup column there is an option of page access. Okay. So here we will click on the page access button. Alright. People with Facebook access, add new. Now the access is with me. I haven't given it to anyone as account is new. I will click on add new. Now here I will click on the next option. Alright. Here are some instructions. You can read them if you want. Here I have to enter name and email ID of the person to whom I want to give access. And if the person is already added as a friend there in your friend list within your Facebook profile. Okay, so you can search here, like I am searching here, Adil Safi, alright. So here he is there in my friend list within my Facebook profile, Adil Safi, okay. So now I will click on the name, Adil Safi. Now here's one important thing which I mentioned that you need to keep in mind. If I give him access, so what can he manage? He can create and manage content, manage and delete posts, add or delete stories, upload posts or stories and other things. He can also respond to messages or calls that will come through the page. He can also participate in the community activities such as he can review the comments which will come on the posts, or the person can also remove the unwanted comments from the posts. If any wrong activity is happening on your Facebook page, so he can also report it. Along with that, access to ads. Why do people give access to their page? Most important reason is because the ads are played there. If you are running ads through someone, whether it's an agency or individual, you have to give them access of your account. Or how will they run the ads? Okay, many times people have trust issues, so they don't give access. If you want to do business with someone, you have to trust them, but with precautions. Here you have option for insights, so the person who is managing your page can see page insights, growth, performance and everything. So they can do all these things, but the option that is coming below, allow this person to have full control. My friends, see, I am warning you about this, that the button should not be turned on, rather it should remain off. I hope you have understood. Because if you have done this, then you should understand that you have given full control of your page to someone else. Now, just like you, he will also become the admin or even the owner of the page. So now he can remove you from the page, or it is a possibility that he might delete the page. It is possible that there could be any problem behind this due to which people are blackmailed. Okay, or they behave in such a way so as to spoil their work or make them incur a loss. So you have to avoid all these things. Why? Because we are a digital marketing agency, as you already know it. Alright. Furthermore, this problem has been occurring with our clients over the past many years. So this is quite an important point that I am explaining to you. Here you need to click on the give access button. So as you will grant access, security check will be conducted to ensure your identity. So here you will put in your password. Okay, now I will put in my password here. Alright. Here I entered the password, as I entered the password here. So here, what did I do? Henceforth the invitation has been sent to Adil. It is showing to me here. Now as soon as Adil gets the invitation, he will accept. He will have two options to accept or decline. If he declines, the invitation will be rejected. If he accepts the invitation within 31 days, then he can control it. All right. If he doesn't accept within 31 days, the invitation will expire. You can use this process to give someone the admin access of your Facebook page or to become the admin of someone else's page. I hope that you have understood it well. Thank you.